I'm in the bathroom with my OMG hairband on because I just shared a Sephora haul, and I hauled this hair glow recipe, and it is a cleansing balm which it helps to take off your makeup. And as y'all can see, I have makeup on. Then I also have the glow recipe blueberry bounce cleanser. I usually use the e.l.f. cleansing wipe, which I adore so much, but for the sake of the video, so next I usually go in with my watermelon spray. So tonight was using everything watermelon, y'all. I didn't even realize that. And not least, I used the watermelon sleeping mask. And so this here is inside of my skincare fridge, y'all. Oh my goodness. Y'all may be like, okay, a skincare fridge? No, y'all. If y'all have skincare, oh my goodness, a skincare fridge is so needed. Matter of fact, I'll try and leave a link down below because, oh my goodness, it makes applying your skincare. We're going to try this here out because y'all know I use the Laneige sleeping mask. So I'm going to use this tonight. Okay, it feels nice. I thought it feels, I can't really say right now. It feels nice. Yeah, it feels nice. I can't, like I said, I can't speak a whole lot on it, but for so far, so good. This here, papaya makeup remover. Yes. So far, so good. My face is a little red only because of what I just did. Yep, so everything was by Watermelon. I'm gonna spray this on one more time. This thing feels so good, y'all. Like I said, this skincare fridge, oh my goodness. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff back. So that's it, everyone. So y'all have a blessed week and a good night, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.